Hi friends, uh, one of my chemistry student asked me a significant question that as we know equal charges repel what equal charges repel each other and hence the electrons are arranged in such a manner to minimize the force of repulsion, but all the photons are arranged together in the nucleus. They don't go upward to minimize the force of repulsion. How is it possible? So I think this question should be answered, and there might be doubts among most of the students uh, who don't know this answer, and there might be much curiosity among them. So, first of all, I have to take an example of beryllium. By taking the example, we can get the clear concept. So, as we know, beryllium, as we know, beryllium uh, have how much electrons in them? Okay, then another small, very good. So, as you know, beryllium has 4 electrons as its atomic number is beryllium atomic number is 4, and hence the electrons will be arranged in S, that is 2, and another 2. So 2 orbitals, and the photons will be at the center, that is 1 2 3 4. So moving to the side, we see the beryllium have 4 electrons in its valence shells, okay, so in its orbitals, and all the photons are getting accumulated at the center, uh, okay. Now the question, how they could be arranged together as they have the equal charges, that is positive charges. They should repel each other and they should get apart from each other, but this don't happen. They get accumulated here in the nucleus. So uh, here the in the it is the atomic structure of beryllium. Okay, now we have to move forward. As we always get information about the electrons in an atom according to the following way, the way that principal quantum number electrons, okay, the principal quantum number n, which have the value like positive integers, the 1 2 3, this shows the property of orbital size and energy level. The secondary, the angular momentum, the L, and that is integers from 0 to n minus 1. Orbital shape, it gives information about orbital shape. The magnetic quantum number, it gives the information about orbital orientation. And lastly, the spin quantum number, which is plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. The other n, l and ml, so magnetic, that magnetic quantum number, they all gives about give information about the electrons, but specifically the electrons, but this don't happen in the case of spin quantum number. Spin quantum number also acts in the case of protons, okay. Spin quantum, what do we mean by spin quantum number? An electron spins plus 1 by 2 means upward, minus 1 by 2 means downward. Clear? So as we know, the protons in an atom don't have the above quantum numbers, but it have the spin quantum numbers in them, okay. Now Here if we take the nucleus of a beryllium, here in the beryllium nucleus we get there are four protons, and one proton is spinning upwards having plus 1 by 2, and another is minus 1 by 2. Clear? This is plus 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2, and this way one electron is moving upward and one proton is moving upward and another proton is moving downward. In this way the force of repulsion get balanced out. Clear? So I think the basic concept why the protons are accumulated at the center but they don't get repelled out from each other best described by me in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Okay.